Are your .NET Framework apps crashing due to the Restsharp Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Quickly resolve Restsharp library inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the Restsharp library, a popular .NET library used for managing RESTful web service calls in CS applications. It handles the JSON and XML serialization and localized HTTP handshakes. If missing, desktop applications that fetch data from the web, like stock trackers or game launchers, will crash, citing an assembly load failure. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Third-party application errors like this are best fixed by reinstalling the affected software suite. Download and reinstall the latest version of .NET Framework to restore the Restsharp Library DLL library without risking system instability. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Restsharp library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Using an incorrect or unverified version of Restsharp Library DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes Restsharp library references. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Restsharp library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.